Good morning, class. Welcome back to our English class. Today we will learn about digraphs. These are digraphs. Okay, so as you know, what is the phonic sound of C? It's K. And what is the phonic sound of H? It's H. When we join it together, the new sound will come. CH, ch. What is the sound of CH? Ch. What is the sound of CH? Ch. Ch, chocolate. Speak everyone. Yes. CH, ch. Ch, chocolate. The phonic sound of S is S. Very good. And the phonic sound of H is H. When we join it together, it becomes sh. S H sh. S H sh. Sh ship. Sh ship. The sound of T is T, and the sound of H is H. When we join it together, it becomes th. Th th. Th th. Th thumb. Th thumb. So these are digraphs. Ch, 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 sh, sh, th, th, ch, ch, sh, sh, th, th. Okay, now I will show you some pictures. Now you will tell me where it will go. Okay, what sound will come? Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, tell me. It's cherry. Cherry. What is the phonic sound? Yes, which sound will come? Ch. Which sound will come? Ch. Ch, cherry. So we have to place here or here or here. कहाँ जाएगी ये? Yes, tell me. Yes, ch. ch, cherry. ch, cherry. Ooh. Which sound? Which picture is this? Yes. What sound will come? Look carefully. Which picture is this? Shark. Which picture is this? Shark. Shark. This is ch. This is sh. sh, sh. th, th. What is this? Shark. Where it will go? Yes, it will go at sh block. sh, shark. Now look here. Which picture is this? Yes. Very good. It's thumb. What is this? Thumb. 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 Which sound will come? कौन सी sound आ रही है? Th. Very good. Ch, sh, th. It will go at th block. Th, thumb. Th, thumb. Ch, cherry. Sh, shark. Th, thumb. Look carefully. What is this? Cheese. Yummy cheese. कौन सी sound आ रही है? Yes, tell me which sound will come? Ch, cheese. ch, cheese. ch, cheese या sh, cheese? Yes, very good. ch, cheese. Cheese. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Tell me. Very good. Chair. Which sound is coming? Yes, कौन सी sound आ रही है? Which sound is coming? Very good. Chair. Where it will go? Here or here or here? Yes, tell me where it will go. Chair. Chair. Look here. Which picture is this? Very good. Shirt. Which picture is this? Shirt. Which sound is coming? Sh. Here or here? Where it will go? Yes, tell me. Here or here? Where it will go? Yes, shirt. SH shirt. Shirt. Look here, which picture is this? I think you thought it is a girl. No, yes, it is a girl, but this is the picture of thin girl. Thin means patli, thin, slim. Okay, so where it will go? Thin, thin. Thin. Here or here? Where it will go? Thin. Where it will go? Yes, think it. Okay, very good. TH thin. Okay, now last one. Just look here. Yummy. Chocolate. What is this? Chocolate. Dairy Milk chocolate. Where it will go? Chocolate. Chocolate. Yes, tell me where it will go? Where it will go? CH block, SH block और TH block. Where it will go? कहाँ प्लेस करेंगे इसको हम? Yes, tell me. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Yes, here. CH cherry, CH cheese, CH chair, CH chocolate, SH shark, SH shirt, TH thumb, TH thin. So these are digraphs. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.